You want to get into crypto, but you're not sure where to start. Or maybe you're already in the game, but you're looking for a user-friendly, secure platform to manage your assets. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're doing a full walkthrough of the Kraken mobile app, a powerful tool designed to make crypto investing and trading simple for everyone. Let's dive in. Getting started and navigating the app. When you first open the app, you'll be greeted by a clean, straightforward interface. The main screen is your dashboard, giving you a quick overview of your portfolio. You can see your total balance, a performance chart, and a list of your crypto holdings. To start, you'll want to fund your account. This is super easy. Just hit the deposit button and you'll find various options, including linking your bank account or using Apple Pay or Google Pay. Buying, selling, and converting crypto. Once your account is funded, the real fun begins. To buy crypto, just tap the Buy button. You can select from a wide range of assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and confirm. It's that simple. Selling is just as easy. Go to your portfolio, select the asset you want to sell, and follow the same simple steps. A great feature for beginners is the convert function. This lets you quickly swap one crypto for another without a full trade. For example, you can convert your Bitcoin directly to Ethereum with just a few taps. Advanced features and earning rewards. For those of you who want to take it a step further, the Kraken app offers some excellent advanced tools. You can set up custom orders to buy or sell at a specific price, giving you more control over your trades. One of the most popular features is staking. Staking allows you to earn rewards on your crypto just for holding it in your account. You can navigate to the Earn tab to see what assets are eligible and start earning passive income. The app also provides real-time market data, so you can keep track of prices and make informed decisions on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.